sounds today, cooking sounds, just regular old food sounds, everything relating to food and sound. I am so not used to talking this quietly. Let's get into the video. Okay, so to start, I'm gonna cut my aloe vera. I'm not gonna talk during it. I don't want to ruin it. The problem with ASMR for me is I can't take anything seriously. Okay. Okay, now that we have our aloe vera, I'm gonna squeeze it. Oh my god, that sounds nasty. Okay, alright, now that we've done that, next up is grating it. Okay, now you're probably supposed to grate it without the skin on, but I thought the skin would add some more texture for more sound. So we have now made this kind of aloe vera goo. Let's see if you can hear the goo. You hear the goo sounds? What am I even doing? I literally am in a large kitchen right now just making sounds with aloe vera. What has my life come to? Okay, next up I have some eggs, and we're going to crack the eggs. Some one-handed egg crack action. Oh, that was good. I'm gonna whisk it up very quietly. Very satisfying. I'm pretty sure these shells are gonna make a good noise. Let's test it out. That's how you're supposed to make a mess with eggs, if I've ever seen one. Okay, next up, it is time to sear a burger. Over here I have a plant-based burger because I like plant-based burgers. We have a hot pan with some oil in there, and let's now place it in. Ooh. Listen to that sizzle. Sizzling. I am now going to season with some Salt Bay action. Freshly cracked pepper. Satisfying. Now it is time for a flip. Bam! Satisfying. Am I ASMRing correctly? My next guest needs no introduction. That was a juicy one. That was a little bit too intense. It has just occurred to me that I'm standing in a silent kitchen shredding celery by myself. As if this is a normal activity. I have a thought. It might not work. That was a bad idea. Don't worry, I will be giving this to my mom to bring home to feed to my guinea pigs. There will be no celery wasted, but some celery was harmed in the making of this video. Now it's time to peel. slice. Peeling time. This is much harder than it looks. Chopped up carrot tops, anyone? If my guinea pigs were here, they would be in heaven over this. Okay, I am very excited for this one. This one is incredible. We're taking some peppercorns and we're going to grind them in a mortar and pestle. Satisfying. I feel like this might be too loud for ASMR. Okay, I think there's enough of that. Let's just pour it out again. That sound better be good because this is going to be really annoying to clean up. Okay, I'm going to do some cleanup and then I'm saving the best sound for last. Get ready. Last but not least is chocolate. Okay, first we're going to peel off the outside. I call this sound Eitan struggling. Might be a little too loud. I have one more thought. I feel like it's like an instrument. And to end off the